What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today I'm standing inside the 2024 Starcraft Super Lite 241BH. This bunkhouse is awesome, super spacious, with incredible construction. It's got the vacuum bonded lamination that Starcraft Super Lites are known for, and it's got a ton of great features, so let's get right into it. Walking in, you're going to notice right away just how spacious this floor plan is, with the slide really providing that. It's got the large, oversized U-shaped dinette, perfect for dinner, game nights, whatever. Also forms into a bed that can sleep maybe one, maybe two kids if you really want. Depends on how small they are. But this oversized U-dinette is really great for meals because you get a little more space, especially since this is a bunkhouse, so you are likely going to have kids with you. You got the refrigerator right there with some storage by the side. And you're really going to notice how much storage there really is in this unit. You got all the kitchen storage there. Very spacious storage under the entertainment center. And even more here. So in the kitchen, you got your oven, 3-burner cooktop, and microwave. You got a deep sink with the sink cover and the drying rack. Lots of space underneath. You got the drawers. And you got more storage up top. The entertainment center, huge flat screen TV, and right under that you got the JBL sound system. Can control the inside and outside sound system from right in here. Now you got the bunks, double over double. Your kids are absolutely gonna love these. You got USB ports and outlets and a little storage right there, and they each got their own window. Same thing down here. And even better, you got more storage with this divider right here to keep it all in when you're going down the road. And for a little extra privacy for them, you got a curtain. Into the bathroom. Pretty large bathroom. You got your shower with the skylight, toilet, and your sink. Got some storage there under the sink, and you got double medicine cabinets with mirrors. Plenty of space for all of your toiletries. Now let's head into the master bedroom. Queen bed with storage overhead and on the sides. Each side features outlets and USB ports and a drawer. You also got that beautiful white finish up front with the wood. That is new for 2024 and it looks amazing. There you have the closets there. And up here. Spot for a TV right there. And you got the sliding door for privacy right there. You have a little privacy for mom and dad with the door closed, but you're still within an earshot of your kids. You can definitely tell if they're sneaking out. AC up top. Floor, which is kid and pet friendly. You don't have to worry about carpets or anything like that. You even got some more storage under the dinette area. Now let's take a look outside. Using tough shell vacuum bonded lamination, Starcraft walls combine welded aluminum framing, fiberglass sidewalls, and metal backers, ensuring your camper can handle the toughest conditions. They apply 144 tons for 16 to 18 minutes to ensure 100% adhesive coverage and curing. This allows you to stand up to the elements without being weighed down. You can extend your camping season with the Climate Package featuring forced air heating and enclosed underbellies. This keeps you cool when it's hot out and warm when it's cold out. Starcraft has the best RV roof out there. Reinforced crown truss roof rafters with 3/8 inch fully walkable roof decking, strength tested to 4,500 pounds. That's up to 50% stronger than the competition. It's engineered to last. Your roof is a vital part of how your trailer is held together, so you should not compromise integrity that has been built and trusted for years. For the wheels, they have aluminum rims, giving them that shiny look. You got the Lippert solid step stairs. Here's your little outdoor kitchen area with the mini fridge and more storage. So if you want to bring a griddle or anything like that, that's where you're going to store that. You got some outlets right there. It's your outdoor speakers and your awning. Water heater. In here is your exterior storage, pass-through storage. Tons of space for all your gear. There's your battery disconnect up there. And here is your solar controller, 30 amp for the 200 watt rooftop solar panel, motion activated light, power tongue jack, and LP storage, fiberglass front cap, storage on the other side. Docking station where you put your 30 amp power into. On the backside, spare tire, ladder with roof access. It's pre-wired for a backup camera. And can't forget, you got the Lippert power stabilizer jacks. Super convenient. 2 on the front. And you got your 2 on the back. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of this floor plan. If you want to see more units we have in stock, check out our website, premierrv.com, or come see us in person in Bluegrass, Iowa, and I'll leave more contact info in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.